What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 23.1k, up 0.4 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 444 billion. 24-hour volume 24.33 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, sign up, grab up to 8k in bonuses. This is where I do the majority of my trading, or Bybit. Do a lot of my investing on Bybit, up to 30k in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorial. Sign up to either or, email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So, a couple scenarios. The first one is the previous wave count. Now, we may have pushed up in a wave 4, but this still looks pretty corrective to me. So if we do continue to push up in an ABC, then what you would be looking at is not a wave 4, but a wave 2. We came down to wave 1. That's a wave 2 pullback. Because if we break above, let me do a quick measurement from the wave 2, fib retracement, bottom of the 3. Let's see where the 0.5 is at. Yeah, if we break above 23.1k, then it can't be a wave 4, would invalidate that. And you'd have to look at a wave 2. But right now, we're sitting underneath 23k, getting rejected by the point of control here on the 1 hour time frame. So if we fail to get back above 23k, that's when we could see the continuation down in a wave 5 to potentially complete a wave A. Then you'd see a wave B pullback and a wave C to take you down to our target zone for a wave 4. As I mentioned, I think I mentioned it yesterday, the money flow had crossed the 50 line, which usually signals you'll come back down to the bottom of the channel. As you can see, money is flowing out so strongly. Well, price has been increasing. All the big boys are taking their profits. And if we start to lose the 20 EMA, that's when you're going to come down to the 55, currently sitting at 20.7K. We're also getting rejected. Is it not on this chart? Let me pop it open quickly here. Hope everyone's doing well. And hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. Hope the pets are healthy. And if you don't have a pet, highly recommend it. They bring a lot of love. I miss my cats. Okay, 200, and we're going to put it to red. So currently we're getting rejected by the 200 EMA on the weekly. Very, very close. It's currently sitting at about 24.9k. There is a death cross. This is the 55, but the 50-week moving average and the 200 are about to cross on the weekly time frame, which is the death cross. So do keep that on your radar. We do have a nice little topping tail candle here on the weekly as well. Weekly 20 EMA currently sitting about 20.6k. The DXY continuing to push up towards our target zone. We're calling for a bounce from the zone for many weeks, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. So I would expect the DXY to push up to 104 to 106, maybe see a little bit of pullback. We are trending towards overbought. Before seeing continuation to the upside for the DXY. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. If we break above, I think it was about 23.1k, when invalidate a wave 4, you'd have to be looking at an ABC into a wave 2. But as of right now, if we fail to get back above 23k, we start to roll over, then potentially this could be a wave 1. We pull back into 2, and then you're going to come down in 3, 4, 5 to complete that wave 5 to complete the wave A. So make sure to sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in the members profit area. Mahalo All Plays, all of that's coming in at $10 a month. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal at McDonald's. So check it out if you'd like to. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.